Hey, my name is Sam Becker, and I have a question for you that I am very curious about because I cannot be the only one that's asked myself this. You ever stop to think what life would look like if you were one of those entrepreneurs? The ones that, you're able to travel the world as much as you want? There's kids playing behind me. The ones that get to travel the world and see family and friends as much as they want, as often as they want, and they got paid for all the work they did two to 5 months ago, right? Just rolling into the bank account, right? The life, the dream, all the entrepreneurs we see on the internet today, right? Being an entrepreneur is tough. Here's the truth. It's tough, but it's not impossible. The real struggle is going to be all the mental barriers that go into being a successful entrepreneur. What am I talking about? What are the mental barriers? I'm talking about procrastination, overcoming procrastination. I'm talking about the developing the laser-like focus on the work at hand, the task at hand. I'm talking about the imposter syndrome. Do you feel like you are capable and qualified enough to be an entrepreneur, right? Are you avoiding shiny objects? Are you maybe you have a lack of confidence in certain areas of your life? Well, whatever the case is, okay, being able to identify the issues is going to be such a huge game changer for not just your business life, but your personal life as well. Okay, if it's one thing that going to see my therapist for my anxiety issues has taught me, it's being able to identify. It's 4th of July, so fireworks are going off right now. If it's one thing that being in therapy has taught me with anxiety, it's that identifying what triggers are in my mind and helping me to overcome them, figuring out what to do with it, right? If it's anything, having multiple business coaches has taught me, it's being able to figure out what to do about certain obstacles when they come up. And trust me, they will come up. They always do. Okay, so the better you are at understanding how you work, the better you are at being able to handle these types of obstacles when they do come up, all right? So what I did was create a Facebook group that I wish I had available to me when I first joined my entrepreneurial journey. Okay, it's called the Entrepreneur Mindset Society. It's a place for other entrepreneurs to overcome these mental blocks and make some real impact in their businesses and their lives, because they're now they're fully equipped with being able to have the mental power to overcome all these issues, right? No more self-sabotage, no more fear of failure, no more imposter syndrome, right? No more focus issues. Okay, once you get that out of the way, what can stop you? And what you can expect from this group are free resources, tips and trainings, both live and pre-recorded. There was a bug right in my face. Both live and pre-recorded from myself and other guests that I am excited to bring on board with you. If I feel like there's enough value there and someone who can really make an impact, of course I'm going to bring them on, not just for myself, but for you guys as well, right? So it's all about building community, because let's face it, it's a community-based environment with all like-minded people looking to level up their minds with you. So there's going to be a lot of posts from members just like you that are looking to really deliver some value, offer some support with other people, right? Be there for each other. The society part means a lot to me. I hope it does for you as well. But I will say this, in order to get the most out of this group and out of this whole experience, is you have to be willing to be honest with yourself for these trainings to make any kind of impact on you, okay? So ask questions, engage with other members in the group, right? Comment on their posts, really soak it in, and just be honest with yourself. I can't stress that enough. The better you are at being honest with yourself, the more these trainings will be impactful, all right? So ask questions. Have fun. Entrepreneurship is supposed to be fun, okay? We take it out when we think too much. So just remember that. And by the way, I want to make sure this is clear that this is great for any entrepreneur at any level, okay? So if you are just now starting out in your entrepreneurial journey, don't worry, I got you. You're going to get some real firsthand insight on what it takes to become an entrepreneur, okay? If you're a mid-level entrepreneur, don't worry, I got you too, because you're going to be able to learn how to level up and take your business to the next level as well. Okay, and any other high-level entrepreneurs as well, you can never have enough mindset work. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is for any entrepreneur at any level. Again, something that I wish I had when I started my journey, because as much as I studied all the business models and the marketing tactics, those are all great to have, of course, right? But none of that really matters as much if you don't have your mindset set to success to help you get to where you want to go. okay? It's easier for you to quit if you don't have the mental capacity, the mental power to get you there. And as the great Warren Buffett says, you gotta be able to manage your emotions, not your money. And guess what manages your emotions? Your mind, your mindset. All right, so keep that in mind, guys. I'm excited to see you guys inside. Click the link to join the free group, and I can't wait to see you in there. I welcome you in advance, and I hope to meet you very soon. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Take care.